Join me in this challenge as we embark on a guided mindfulness meditation journey to ground ourselves and find inner peace. Take this moment for yourself and consider how you are feeling right now. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And just release any stress or tension you may be feeling right now. And then take another deep breath in and exhale. And I want you to feel your body. What does your body feel like right now? See if you can sense any aches or pains or heaviness or tension. And just see how your body's feeling. We don't pay enough attention to how our body feels. We can't heal anything if we don't feel our body. So as you sit there, I'm going to now send you some energy to help ground you. So open up your heart and just allow this energy to come in. And it's just a grounding energy. And it's just going to help you to get grounded to the earth, where we get our energy from. So this is going to help you to get grounded so you can receive more energy. And just allow it to come in and move around, going where it needs to go, giving you what you need right now. And when we are grounded, we feel that we are safe and secure. We know that our basic needs are being met, and those basic needs are food, shelter, and finances. So just keep breathing and just keep allowing this energy to move around. I see it more around your legs, giving you that opportunity to have those channels open in order for you to be grounded more. And now I'm going to send you some other energy. And again, just allow it to come into your heart. Move it around and see where it's going. See if you can feel that energy coming in. This is a different energy, a different frequency that I'm sending you. So it should feel a little different. And now I'm going to send you one more different energy. So just again, keep your heart open and just allow this energy to come in, moving around. And this is an energy of balance. We all need balance in our life, whether that's through your health, your relationships, your finances. This is going to help you with those, giving you balance, helping you be balanced with your grounding. And just allow this to come in and feel this energy. Notice where it's going in your body and how it feels. Just feel how your body's feeling. Is it feeling lighter now? Are you feeling like you have a little bit more energy? For some, you could be feeling tired. And if you need to, you can pause this video and sit here for a little longer and get grounded even more. The best thing anybody can do for themselves is to be grounded to the earth, getting energy. And you can do that by doing this meditation once or twice a day. And after a week, you will notice a big change and shift within your energy. You will have more energy. Always take this time for yourself. And try this meditation a few times and see how it goes for you. And share your experiences with me in the comment section below. So take another deep breath in and exhale. And just see how your body's feeling now. Until next time, be well.